Right, what we're doing is continuing our investigation of machines. I'm going to do some life drawing, and the thing I'm going to do is called a block and tackle. This is a block and tackle. It's a device that goes with a pulley. It consists of a D-shackle and it's a cast iron circle inside a holder. Now what I'm going to use is only coloured pencils, and I'm going to use a range of blacks through to light blue, getting darker and darker up to purple. Okay, to make my lines easier for you to see, I'm going to use a very thick black pencil that has no wood in it at all. So let's turn this around till I find an angle I like. Okay. Okay, that'll do. Okay, so life drawing. I'm basically drawing from observation. You're certainly welcome to find any other simple machine and post your own drawing. This is one of the really important, groundbreaking inventions. So much labour was saved because of this invention. Okay, shadow in here. A circle which is light. A dark shadow in here. You can never get enough life drawing practice. Okay. Now I'm ready for the D-shackle part. Sometimes your logic is telling you to do something that's different to what your eyes are seeing. Shadow in there. Now I'm going to put the outside shadow on. Right, now because that's going to start getting confusing, I better start with my highlights. So my lightest patches, actually I will put shadows in here. Okay, my lightest parts are going to be in my lightest blue. These are areas that highlights. There's actually a shadow in here. I'm not reading that clearly. Now, when you're trying to suggest a curve or a plane, it's really a good idea if you do your strokes in the same direction as the curve you're trying to suggest. There's a bit of a shadow in there, so I'm going to put it in blue. Continuing with my largest areas. Oh no. Where light is hitting. Okay. Now I'm going to move down to my darker blue and put those darker shadows in. It's tying it together better. I think when it's your turn, you're going to agree. Oh, it's a lot harder than it looks. Excellent. Again, I'm doing my directions, my strokes in the direction of the curve I'm trying to suggest. Okay, the last one I'm going to do is put a mid-tone in, tie it together. So just to make it obvious, I'm going to put purple in my darkest shadows. So this is a pulley, a block and tackle with a D-shackle. And let's put my initials so we know who did it.